We know Renishaw are a great innovator of many products, especially in the metrology sector. Now we're meeting you here at the Manufacturing Solutions Ireland event in 2019. Now you have been working in the Irish market and you've just developed a new position for James, who we're going to speak to in a moment. But tell me a little bit about how you've grown this into the Irish market.
So I've managed Ireland and the southwest of the UK for 4 or 5 years now with Renishaw. I've invested my time probably 1 week in every 4 in Ireland, and I've grown the revenue quite considerably. We get to a point now where we reach the point where we really need to make an investment in a head, which is James, because the revenue's come to such a point where we need to expand upon that. I could do the key strategic, low-hanging fruit, if you like, and then, obviously James will invest it in going around all the tool rooms. I had to do the big issues or the big projects, and obviously I was missing out on some of the other customers because I just couldn't physically dedicate my time.
When you look at the Irish market and the portfolio of products that you've actually got, what's been more successful for you guys to sell into Ireland?
I think it's been the general cross-section of the industrial metrology portfolio has been really successful. From ball bar at the bottom end of our productive process pyramid all the way to CMM heads at the top, and in between you've obviously got tool setting, spindle probing and the equator, which you see behind me, the comparator gauge, or the automated comparator gauge. That's been really successful. We've sold quite a few of those into Ireland now, and with plans to sell even more.
And in your opinion, when you look at some of the stronger sectors in Ireland, let's say aerospace and also the medical sector, do you see that there's a lot of automation being involved, which obviously helps some of the portfolio of products that you can actually serve?
Absolutely. I think the skills gap is one of the things that we see driving our business, and therefore things are being automated because there is a skills gap, and clearly that gives rise to the Renishaw product portfolio.
James, unfortunately we missed you in Limerick. Now, you've recently joined Renishaw. Now, could you tell me a little bit about your background?
My background is primarily in the metal cutting industry, so I have about 25 years experience, starting out as a tool maker, working towards CNC machining and programming and machine shop supervising. I've also worked for several cutting tool manufacturers based here in the UK, and over recent years I've jumped towards the industrial metrology world as a product manager for various projects and products.
And does that give you a bit of an advantage when you're talking to a lot of companies in Ireland with your background in reference to the metrology side?
Yes, because of my machine tool background, I obviously have a little bit of experience, and it's great to know a little bit about what you're talking about and a little bit about what you're trying to promote.
As we know, medical and aerospace dominate within Ireland as a sector, but for those engineers that may not know Renishaw, James, what would be your message to them?
Well, as my role develops, it'll help Renishaw customers in Ireland to achieve new levels of precision, efficiency and profitability by enhancing control and eliminating sources of process variation. And we can do that a number of ways by taking on turnkey projects or working with the products and machinery that they already have.
As we know, engineers actually like to see product in motion, let's say. So for any engineers in Ireland that don't know Renishaw, what can you actually offer them to show your solutions in the best quality?
There's an open invite to anyone in Ireland to come and visit our innovation centre here at Newmills, where we showcase all of our technologies, including, as you can see behind me, a fully automated cell that incorporates equator, machine tool probes and tool setting. Behind us we have the Revo on our CMM platform. There's an open invite at any stage for anybody in Ireland to visit us here.